Okay, I think getting now. So 26 now. Okay. Muhammad Safi, Muhammad Martin, and Safiqah. Somebody send a message here. Okay. All right. Okay, start now. Okay, so today I'll just make the recording live for you. So I'm gonna do recording now. Okay, so somebody is recording now. Okay, for good. Okay. Okay, welcome to the class term 2. Okay, so what are we going to do today? We are going to do the graph things. Okay, graph, how to do graph. So let's recall what we have done. So we have finished 2 tutorials in term 1. Sorry, 2 quiz in term 1. Okay, although I did not ask you to do quiz on spherical thing. Never mind, this is not important. So there are 2 more quizzes. Okay, on polar, on graph, and then statistic. And then for the tutorial, you see that the tutorial 3 there. Okay, you see that there's tutorial 3 there. Then you see that come no tutorial 4. Okay, tutorial 4 is here, the project. Okay, so afterward then tutorial 5. So these are remaining tutorial you need to do. Later on, I will remind you. Right? I'll try to do some for you, but you have to do most of them yourself. Okay, the learning objective for this portion of the lesson is to try to understand the graph of certain shape, certain equation, mainly the straight line, linear equation, straight line, means straight line here, quadratic equation, and then simultaneous equation. So these are things we you're going to focus on. So, and then the straight line is this one, y equal ax plus b, y, and this quadratic one. So these are the two things we do. Okay, the rest we can ignore. Okay, so for example, we can ignore this one, ignore this one. Okay, because I just of time, I don't want to go through this in detail. So we start with rectangular coordinate. Okay, what does it mean that rectangular coordinate? It's actually an XY coordinate now. So you have a graph paper. The graph paper tell you what are the X value or Y value. Okay, so let's see that I have this graph paper here. On the right hand side, your X is positive. Okay, on the right hand side, your X positive. On the left hand side, your X negative. Okay, then on the upper half above 0, then your Y is positive, positive Y value. Below 0, downward side, the Y is negative. So for example, if I want to find the point, let's say, okay, I move a point here. Suppose I want to find 4, 2. Where is 4, 2 now? Means go to the 4 here, 4, then go to 2. So you have a point there, 4, 2. And this is how you know where is 4, 2, right? So what happens? You want to get minus 3, 1. Minus 3, 1. That means that you have to go to the left for minus 3, then 1. So this is minus 3, 1. Okay, the first number is always the X value. Second number is a Y value. Let's say do another one. Let's say I want to do 5 minus 6. How to get 5 minus 6 here? So I draw, okay, 5 minus 6 here. So 5, all the way to 5. Then go down to minus 6. So this is pi 5 minus 6. Right? So this telling you how to locate the point using this coordinate. So this is called rectangular coordinate. Okay, also called Cartesian coordinate for a formal name. Alright, so this is how the graph paper normally look like. So whenever you need to draw graph, we have this kind of graph paper. Okay, locate the point. Okay, so example, next one also show you more point. For example, this one give you more example, right? So for example, I want to find the point A. A is 3, 2. So you look at the notes there. How to get A equal 3, 2 there? You go to the right, look for 3. Then move up, look for 2. And this is how you find A. A is 3, 2. Okay, so there's 2 here, there's 3 here. If you want to find the point, minus 2, 3. So minus 2 is on the left side. So yeah, move to the left side here, minus 2 now. Minus 2 here. Then move up to 3. Right, this is minus 3, minus 2. So we get a point B. If you want to get a point C, C is minus 3, minus 2, right? So you go to the minus 3 here. Go to minus 3. Then move down, you get minus 2. Get minus 2 here. Then you got a point. Okay, C. So this is how you locate the point on the graph. Okay, same as what I showed you just now. Just repeat this example to show you how to locate the point. Okay, this is general point. Okay, so on the graph paper you have many points. So this is just the beginning how to draw the point on the graph paper. Okay, so immediately I'm going to try to tell you what is straight line. Okay, equation look like this: y equal ms plus c is called a straight line. So this one, this is called equation y equal ms plus c. This is an equation called a linear equation. This look like a straight line. This is actually a straight line here. There are two numbers we're going to find. One of them is called gradient, m. So there's an m there. So m, let me use the green color one. There's m. M is there together with x, it's called the gradient. Okay, m together with x. The term together with x is called gradient. And then the c alone, we also have a name for this. The c alone is called the Y-intercept. The Y-intercept. So the m and c there. This equation is called a linear equation, but doesn't matter. The name is not important. Okay, it's called linear equation. Okay, this equation here, and the shape of this is a straight line. So we're going to fill in the blank here. Okay, fill in the blank here, and then let's see how this thing turn out. We have tried to identify the gradient and the Y-intercept. The first one is very obvious. Y equal to 2x plus 3, right? So this one is y equal to 2x minus 5. The term together with your x is called the gradient. So that means that this is the gradient now, 2. Okay, so 2 is the gradient. It's together with x here. The one outside of x, doesn't go with x here, is called the Y-intercept. So in this case, you can look at it this way. If you find that I use plus sign here, but I can use minus sign. It is 2x plus minus 5. Okay, this is actually 2x minus 5 here, 2 here, and then minus 5 is here. It's called Y-intercept. So this one is called Y-intercept here. Okay, so this is how you find the gradient and Y-intercept. How about the second one? Which one is a gradient now? Okay, you can rewrite the equation. Y equal to 4 minus 5x, actually minus 5x plus 4. The one together with x is called gradient. Okay, so y equal 4 minus 5x, you have to rewrite the equation, and then you find that the one together with x is a gradient. So x equal to gradient is minus 5 now. Okay, then the one without x alone is called the Y-intercept. So this number 1, the number 4 here is Y-intercept. Okay, then come the third equation. Y minus 0.5x equal to 0. Okay, you can write this as, rearrange them first. Y on the left hand side, then move 0.5 on the right hand side, right? Then 0.5 times x plus 0. Okay, so that means that what is the gradient now? Gradient is always come with the x here. So this is 0.5. So come with the x here, 0.5. And then 0 by itself is here. It's Y-intercept. Okay, let me erase this. Okay, so this is about straight line. This is the equation of straight line. Okay, so let me WhatsApp to show you some page by page, right? So this is actually the one I had to fill in the blank. So this one fill the blank here, and then WhatsApp to COCD group. COCD group. Okay. All right, let's see any message from here. So any message for me? No, no message for me. Right? All right, so continue. So now I'm going to explain to you what is the meaning of gradient. Okay, when gradient is positive, so m is a gradient here. The value m here is the gradient. Okay, we use the value m here is a gradient here. So let me show it's m gradient, right? And what does the m positive mean? Right? Gradient is m here. So when m is positive, okay, when x increase, y also increase. When y also increase, when m positive. Okay, so when m positive, when m is positive, means that when x increase, y also increase. So you can see the direction, so that if your x is this, the y is this, okay, get xy here, this m is positive, right? So increase your x a little bit now to here, your y increase to here now. Okay, you can see the difference. The value of x increased, the value of y also increased. Okay, how much they increase depend on the m. The bigger the m, the bigger the increment. Okay, so this is actually, for example, m equal to 1, basically the ratio is 1. Okay, when x increase, y also increase. So you find out, so this is x1, this is x2, this is y1, this is y2. Okay, so you can feel x2 is greater than x1. Okay, x2 greater than x1 here. And you can see that y2 is greater than y1. Okay, this is the gradient. The bigger the gradient, the bigger the gap are there. This is for m positive. What happens if m negative? So what if happen if m negative now? So you can see that when m positive, actually the graph move from left to right, increasing, go up. Okay, it go up from left to right, it actually going up. What happens if m is negative now? If m is less than 0, negative, right? Then when x increase, y will decrease, going down. So you can see how the graph look like when m is negative. So for example, this m negative here. Okay, and here. So this line here, when x increase, when x go to the left, okay, the value of y go down. So actually, this is actually going down. Okay, you can see the direction. The straight line go down when you move to the right. Your x increase, the value of y will decrease, getting lesser and lesser. Okay, so this is how you can tell the difference. Okay, so when you draw a straight line, you can see the direction of a straight line. Okay, if you have straight line of this type is increasing. Okay, this increasing straight line. You move from left to right, the value of y increase. Whereas decreasing straight line, if you can see that when the value of x go from left to right, then the value of y go down. This is the meaning of gradient. Okay, meaning of gradient when it's positive or negative. This is the meaning. Okay, so this one I think I can pass it to you. Okay, so actually the value here, the line when it's negative, the line go down from left to right. Okay, when it is positive, the line go up from left to right. Okay, the line go up from left to right here. Okay, let me try again. Erase this one. Okay, so positive here and it's negative here. So let me take out this picture for you first. Okay, now forward this to class 1, 2. Okay. All right, now I'm going to tell you how to calculate the gradient formally. To calculate a gradient formally, you need 2 points on the straight line. Okay, 2 points on the straight line. Let's say P and Q. X1 and Y1 is P, X2, Y2 is Q. Okay, so you have 2 points, P and Q. And then you can calculate the gradient based on this formula, Y2 minus Y1 over X2 minus X1. So this is how to find the gradient, M, calculate gradient. So for example 3, 2 points, y is minus 2 minus 5. So let's see the first point, let's call it x1, y1 first. So I can use a notation. So the first point is actually x1, y1. Second point is x2, y2. Okay, first point is x1, y1, second point is x2, y2. So let's find out. Okay, so Let's use color here. So x1 is -2, x2 is -4. Okay, and then y1 is -5, y2 is 1. So based on this formula, you can find m equal to y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1, right? So y2 I use a blue color one, so y2 is actually 1 minus y1 is -5. Okay, remember the order, y is on top, x below. Now x2 is -4 minus x1 is -2. So this will give you 1 plus 5 is 6, right? 1 plus 5 is 6 here. And then -4 plus 2, then you get 6 over -2, you get -3. This is how you find the gradient. You just pick 2 points on the straight line, take the ratio. Okay, pick 2 points on the straight line, then take the ratio, get this. So this is how to find the gradient on straight line. So I forward this one because you need to fill in the blank to this one. Where is it now? Pass it to COC now. Okay. So this is how you find the gradient. That's number 2. Okay, next thing is how to find the y-intercept. Remember just now we have talked about intercept, right? The blue color one, intercept, yeah? So what is y-intercept look like in the graph? Okay, y-intercept of a straight line graph. Okay, y-intercept is where the graph cut the y-axis. This is called y-intercept, okay? So y-axis, the y-intercept is when the straight line cut the y-axis. So for example, this straight line, the y-intercept is 4 because it cut the y-axis at 4 here. And this one is the y-intercept. How do you find y-intercept there? Basically, it's very easy. Put x equal to 0. Put x equal to 0, you get y equal to 2 times 0 plus 4, y-intercept. Okay, so this is called y-intercept. Is how far away from 0 when the straight line cut the y-intercept, cut the y-axis. And then there's also another one called the x-intercept. How to find x-intercept there? X-intercept, you put y equal to 0 now. Okay, so this is actually to find this number, x-intercept here. This number is -2, right? How do you get -2? Just now this one is 4, right? How do you get x equal to -2? So all you do is put y equal to 0. Okay, to find x-intercept, y-intercept, put x equal to 0. Okay, get y-intercept. Put x-intercept, you put y equal to 0. Then you get 0 is equal to 2x plus 4. Okay, just now we put x-intercept, you put x equal to 0, then y equal to 4, right? Then get y equal to 4. Whereas this one, put y equal to 0, then you get -4 equal to 2x here. By 2 now, x equal to -2. Right. So this is how you know when the straight line cut the x-axis, when the straight line cut the y-axis. So this is how you interpret the meaning of y-intercept and x-intercept, especially y-intercept there. To find y-intercept, put x equal to 0. To find x-intercept, you put y equal 0. Okay, so let's move on. Okay, this is a bit messy here, so I think I must clear this first before I move on this example 3. So let me clear this first and then work out everything from the scratch. So this is actually example 3. So I want to clear everything so that it become something you can see work on. Okay, I'm going to clear this also. Okay, I did select first. Okay, so this is start fresh, right? So this example is about how do you draw the straight line graph completely from scratch. So equation of a straight line, in this case, graph equal y equal 2x plus 1. And it says that I want to draw the graph from x equal to minus 2 to 4. Okay, so it gives you a range there. So how do you actually draw this straight line? Okay, you make a table, x from minus 2 to 4. So you can make a value table here, say x equal to minus 2, then 0, then 2, and 4, right? Every 2 unit of x you get this. How many points to get? How many points you need? Basically, for a straight line, basically you need 2 points. If your 2 points is accurate enough, you got a straight line already. But sometimes you're not sure whether you already got a straight line, so you make another point, 3 points or 4 points. So that eventually you join together, you see whether you really got a straight line. Right? Otherwise, if you're not confident, you draw more points and join them up. See for yourself, you'll get a straight line. So y equal to 2x plus 1. So for example, when x equal to minus 2, okay, 2 times minus 2 plus 1, then 2 times minus 2 equal 1, right? Minus 3, right? 2 times minus 2 is minus 4. Minus 4 plus 1 is minus 3. So you get a point. So you get a point minus 2 to minus 3. So where is minus 2 minus 3? It's actually x equal to minus 2 here. So x equal to minus 2 here. Minus 2, right? Then minus 3. This is minus 3 here. Okay. So this is minus 2, minus 3. Okay, this point is minus 2, minus 3. Okay, you have the scale are not exactly the same, but the point is there. Okay, 2 and 3. So in this case, you have to count how many points are there. So 1 get is 1 for y, 3, 4, 5, right? Here, 1 get is just 0.2. So minus 2, we can minus 2 go away straight with the minus 2 to look for the point. Okay, then let's look at the second point. When x equals 0 now. So what is y now? So y will be equal to 2 times 0, because x is 0 now, plus 1. 2 times 0 plus 1, you get 1. So when x equals 0, y is equal to 1. So you can write down 0, 1. x0, y equal 1. So where x0, y equal 1? So x0 is here. Y equal 1 is, I think, is here. So you can plot here. So this is 0, 1. Okay, so this is the point 0, 1. X equal to 0 and y equal to 1. Okay, the point is somewhere here. Okay, x equals 0, y equals 1. Just now, x equals -2, y equals 3. Now let's look at another one. What about x equals 2 now? Then y equals to 2 times x equals 2 now, plus 1, you get 5. So the point you have is actually x equals 2, y equals 5. So where is the point 2, 5? So x equals 2, y equals 5, you go and follow 2 and 5. So in this case, you got a third point. So this is the point 2, 5. Does it look like a straight line? Looks like a straight line, right? When in front to one together, I can do the 4 point. When x equals to 4, okay, then y is equal to 9. 2 times 4 plus 1 is 9. So 4, 9 can go here. 4, 9. This one is 4, 9 now. So we get all these 4 points, can join them together. Join them together. Okay, so this point join by a straight line. Okay, you can use the ruler, then you can see that this is already a straight line. So the graph, this is the graph of y equal to 2x plus 1. How do you get this graph? You plot points. Okay, x equals -2, what happened to y? X equals 0, what happened to y? X equals 2, what happened to y? Then you plot the point there. Then eventually you join them together. It's a straight line. So you can see the graph is a straight line. Okay, the graph is a straight line. Okay, now hard part is the graph cut the x-axis at one point. When does the graph cut the x-axis? So you can figure out how to find that when the graph cut x-axis. We call it the X Intercept, right? X Intercept means you put y equals 0. Okay, so put y equals 0. Put y equals 0. And then 0 equal to 2x plus 1. Then you get -1 equal to 2x. So x equal to -1 over 2 is -0.5. So this is -0.5 here. Minus half, right? -0.5. This is your x-intercept. So we acquire that if cut at this point, you can see the graph here. This point is actually y equals 0, x equal to -0.5. Okay, x equal to -0.5, y equals 0. So this is erase this one first. So this point is x equal to -half, y equals 0. So you cut the x-axis at -half, 0. Okay, you can see from the graph. Okay, and if you draw the graph accurately, you will be able to find that, okay, it's -0.5. Is it -0.5? Yeah, but my graph is not very accurate. Okay, my graph is not very accurate. If I draw a straight line with this straight line, you'll get to see the graph and so -0.5. And then it's called the X-intercept here. So this X-intercept is -0.5. By putting y equals 0, can do calculation. Okay, and then where the curve cut the y-axis now, what you can do, you can put x equals 0 now. So this one you can put x equals 0. And then you can y equal to 2 times 0 plus 1, which is 1. Okay, so x equals 0, y equals 1, you already have the point there already. So this is the point. The cut y-axis at x equals 0, y equals 1. And the y-intercept is actually 1. Okay, so okay, what's that? This not so perfect graph to you. Okay, if you draw a straight line more accurately, I think you get a better graph. Okay, so what's up this one also? Where is it now? This DNSP. Go to COC here. Okay, so this is a part of example 3, how to form the graph beginning, how to draw the graph of a straight line, and then answer the shape on the graph, and then the x-intercept and the y-intercept. Okay, now I'm going to go on to next example. Now is about full straight line. Yes.
Sir, how did you put y is equal 0, x is equal?
Because my straight line graph is not very accurate, because how do you put x equals 0? Because when you want to find the y-intercept, okay, y-intercept is put x equals 0, you find a value of y. Okay, put x equals 0, you can find a value of y. That value of y is the y-intercept. So for example, over here, already 0, 1. When x equals 0, where is y? Calculate from here. Okay. Then for x-intercept, calculate what happens when y equals 0 now. So you put y equals 0. Okay, put y equals 0, so you have to look at y equal to 2x plus 1y. Then you put y equals 0 inside there. Then you find out what is x now. Then from there you can find x equals minus 0.5. So my graph is not very accurate because it doesn't show you 0.5, right? I think if you draw 0.5, it should be somewhere here. And if I draw it more accurately, okay. If I want to draw it more accurately, you can find that this graph, if you draw properly, it should extend somewhere here. So somewhere here this 0.5. Okay, somewhere here 0.5. Okay, so this is how you draw the graph and get everything from the graph. Okay, of course you can use some help calculation, the calculation to help you, but if you draw accurate graph, you don't need to do this calculation now. Okay, next example. This is about two straight line now. Okay, two straight line. How to find the intersection of the two straight line? Everything get from the graph, no calculation. Okay. So we have two equations. X plus y equal 12 and 4x minus 3y equal 18. So look at the first equation. X plus y equal 12. Okay, x plus y equal to 12. You want to write the equation of y on the left hand side. So y equal to 12 minus x. Okay, so y is equal to 12 minus x, or you can write y equal to minus x plus 12. You try to put y on the left hand side, then you get y something like this. So what is m now? You can remember this one. Y equal to mx plus c. So m is equal to minus 1 now. C equal to 12. Okay, in this case, so m is equal to minus 1 now. And the c is equal to 12. Okay, if you follow, c equal to 12 now. The first equation. Okay, how about the second equation? You have to arrange them, make y on the left hand side, the subject here. So you have 4x minus 3y equal to 18. So make sure you have y on the left hand side first. So get minus 3y equal to 18 minus 4x. Okay, move the 4x over. Then divide everything by minus 3. So y equal to 18 over minus 3, okay, plus minus 4 over minus 3 x. So y equal to 18 over minus 3 is minus 6. Then it's 4 over 3, minus 4 over minus 3 is 4 over 3 now. So this one actually is 4 over 3 x minus 6. So here that means that m is equal to what? M is equal to 4 over 3, c equal to minus 6. Okay, if you follow the pattern, so this is the m here. Okay, m is 1, and then minus 6 is the gradient. Okay, this is working. How to arrange the equation so that you get y equal to mx plus c. Okay, the key thing is how to get the equation of a straight line. Y equal to mx plus c. Okay, so that you can get a standard equation. Okay, so now take a photo of this one. You can see this. How to arrange that equation so that y equal to mx plus c. So this thing, I'm going to forward this one to our here. Okay, how to arrange the equation. So now I want to get the intersection graphically from the graph. Find the intersection of these two straight lines. Okay, each of them is straight line. So you have to draw two separate straight lines, right? So let's look at here. So I want to draw a straight line, let's say from 0, 3 point. I must at least get 3 points. Okay, how to make sure that you get a straight line, at least to draw 3 points, right? At least draw 3 points, you get a straight line. So let's see x equal to 0, 5, and 10. So I give 3 points here. Okay, the reason I drew 3 points because I want to make sure that I already go a straight line. Okay, if I lose 2 points only, my straight line may be not accurate now. So I make sure I 3 points first, then see whether I can join them by a straight line. Okay, so first you find out what happens when x equals to 0. So when x equals to 0, the second line, the first line here. Okay, y is equal to what? 12 minus 0. 12 minus 0 is 12, right? So that's why I got 12 here. So 0, 12. So this is the first point. 0, 12. You can see from here. When x equals to 0, y equals to 12. So this point is somewhere here. Okay. X equals to 0, y equals to 12. Here. And then what happens when x equals to 5? So this point is arbitrarily chosen, but try to make them as far apart as possible so that they are not close together. When x equal to 5, so this is 12 minus 5, right? Y equal to 12 minus 5. 12 minus 5 is 7, right? So okay lah, huh? 12 minus 5 is 7. So this is actually y equal to 12 minus 5. Yes, 7. So you get point 5, 7. Okay, 5, 7 now. So 5, 7 is somewhere here. When x equal to 5, when x equal to 5, then y equal to 7 is the goal point. So you get point here. This point here is 5, 7. 2 points really. Then lastly, when x equal to 10, what happened to y? Okay, when x equal to 10, y equal to 12 minus 10. 12 minus 10 is 2, right? So when x equal to 10, y equal to 2. So we get 10, 2. So we got 3 points now. Then you look at it. Is it possible to join it by a straight line? If you can join them by a straight line, you really have this part covered already, right? Unless you make calculation error, and then you find out, okay, not join it by a straight line, something is wrong. Then check what is wrong with your graph. Which one is missing now? So there is a line, first one. Okay, now you look at the second one. Where is the second one come from? Second one is actually this graph, no? 4x minus 3y equal 18. Second one. Okay, convert to what? Convert to this one. Okay, second one. So using this one, then you can see. So when x equals 0, what happened to y? Y equals 6, right? 0 minus 6. So 0 minus 6 is another point here. Then 0 minus 6. So where is 0 minus 6 here? 0 minus 6, I think somewhere here. 5. Here. This point is 0 minus 6. Okay. Then you put x equal to 5 now. So what is y now? So let's do calculation. Y equal to minus 6 plus 4 over 3 x here. So put x equal to 5. Make y equal to minus 6 plus 4 over 3 times 5. So we get minus 18 plus 20 over 3 is 2 over 3, which is 0.67. Okay, that's why this number 0.67 here. So when the x equal to 5, y is equal to 0.67. So where is it now? When x equal to 5, y is 0.67 is somewhere here. Not very accurate now because 0.67 is slightly more than half here. So somewhere here. Okay, not very accurate now because the scale is very small. So this is 5 and 0.67. Okay, what happens when x equal to 10 now? The next point. X equal to 10. Then y equal to minus 6 plus 4 over 3 times 10. Okay, this is actually minus 18 plus 40 over 3, the 22 over 3. Then you get 7.33. Okay, 7.33. So 7.33, you get where is it now? This is 5. So there's a point here. This point here is 7.33. So this one is 10, 7. Okay. 10, 2 here. This one is 10, 2. 7.33. So 7.3 is somewhere. 7 here, 5, 6, 7.3, somewhere here. There's a point here. This is a 10, 7.33. So I have 3 points now. Let's try them. Do you get a straight line? So that if I use my hand draw, it's not very accurate one. Okay, so I'm going to draw this one. Okay. Let's try everything. Okay, let me try better. Okay, this is straight line here. Okay, the point is actually 0. This is a 5, 0.67. This point here. So 3 points joined together. Okay, I got here. Now I want to find the intersection. Okay, I've got all the 3 points. Just now, each point, each straight line, I use 3 points. Now, where does it 2 lines intersect now? The 2 lines intersect means common point. Where are the common point now? Common point is somewhere here. So where is this point? This point, I think, is between 7 and 8, right? So x between 7 and 8. So based on the notes, I think this is about 7.6 or 7.7. So this is the point. X equal to 7.7. And where's the y? Y about somewhere near 5, right? Less than 5, right? So I mean 4 point, okay, maybe 4.4. So all this, of course, depends on how good you draw the graph. Okay, you may not exactly get the answer. Okay, the answer, I think in the book they tell you that this point is about okay, the point in the book that they say that this point is about 7.7 and 4.3. Okay, so this is about there. So the solution is actually 7.7, x equals 7.7, 4.4. Okay, mine is 4.4. Maybe I can get, because you cannot get exactly the same point unless you draw very accurately. Okay, 4.3 and 4.4 is short a little bit here. Okay, so this is the answer to find where is location of the intersection. Okay, and draw 2 lines, so you make a table for 1 line. Use a student table to find another line. All these points you join together, then you can find where is the intersection. Okay, so this one is how to get this concept to you. Okay, then forward here is the COC group. Okay, COC group. Okay, going to the last example already. Okay, this is for 2 straight lines. Okay, each equation was straight line. Convert them to y equal ms plus c, and then form a table. You get at least 3 points to confirm that you have a straight line. Okay, this one, it will be another question already. So I'm going to, where is it now? Okay, this one is quadratic equation now. Okay, What are the difference between this and the straight line equation? Is that the equation y equal ax squared plus bx plus c now. A, B, C are number, and A is not 0. This type of equation is called quadratic equation. And the graph you get is called a parabola. It's not a straight line anymore, it's called parabola. It's not a straight line, huh? So just now the one y equal ms plus c straight line, this one is not a straight line anymore. So it's not a straight line. How do you draw a curve? So you need more point, right? So the table will be more difficult. Okay, so you have more comprehensive table now. So let's try to figure out a table here. To plot the graph from -3 to 4. So this one I tell you, I want to get a table from -3 to 4. So you must tell me what are the value. Okay, from -3 to 4. So you can make a table, say -3, -2, okay, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Put the x, okay? Then you find out what are the value of y. Some of them in the exam usually will give you the table sum of value. Then you fill up the table and then join the graph, right? So for example, how do you get x equal to 4, y equal to 19? Okay, when x equal to 4, okay, so for example, x equal to 4, how do you find y equal to 19? Y equal to 2x squared minus 2x minus y, right? So this actually, when x equal to 4, get 2 times 4 squared minus 2 times 4 minus 5. So you get 4 squared is 16 with 32 now, minus 8 minus 5. So to get 32 minus 8 minus 5, you get 19. That's how you get 19 here. Okay, let's try another one. When x equal to 1, where's y now? Y equal to 2 times x squared minus 2x minus 5 there. So 1 squared minus 2 times 1 minus 5. And then you get minus 5 here. So this is how we get this number. That's right. What happens when x equals 0 now? When x equals 0, 2 times 0 minus 2 times 0 minus 5, you get minus 5 also. What happens when x equals to minus 1 now? That's right, huh? X equals to minus 1 now. So put x equals to minus 1. So y equal to 2 times minus 1 square minus 2 times minus 1 minus 5. What do you get now? So 2 times minus 1 square is 2 times 1, right? 2 plus 2 minus 2 times minus 1 is 1, 2 here. Minus 5, okay, minus 1. 2 plus 2 minus 5 is minus 1. So this is minus 1. Okay, what about x equal to minus 2 now? So put x equal to minus 2 now. Then y equal to 2 times minus 2 square minus 2 minus 2 minus 5. Put in calculator, get 8. 4, 2 square is 4, 4 times 2 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 minus 5 equals 7. Put this 7 here. What happens when x equal to minus 3? Then y is equal to 2 times minus 3 square minus 2 times minus 3 and minus 5. This will give you 18 plus 6 minus 5 become 19. So I calculate all the value now. Then after I calculate all the value, I got a table. Then this table will help me to draw the graph. Okay, so I transfer this table to the next page there. So let me forward this calculation to you. Okay, forward this calculation to you. Okay. So I transfer table to the next page here. Table is there. So I'm going to plot the graph now. Okay. So minus 3, 19. So minus 3, go to minus 3, x equal minus 3 there. To 19. So somewhere here, 19. So this is the point. Minus 3, 19. Okay, x equal minus 3, y equal 19, right? Well, about x equal minus 2, y equals 7. X equal minus 2, y equals 7 somewhere here now. 6, 7. So this is minus 2, 7. And x equal minus 1, y equal minus 1. So this is actually minus 1, okay, based on is minus 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay, so minus 1. This point is minus 1, minus 1. When x equals 0, okay, minus 5. So somewhere here, x equals 0, so minus 5. X equals 1, also minus 5. So this x equals 0 minus 5 here. X equals 1, also minus 5. X equals 2, you get minus 1. So the point 2 minus 1 here. This is the point for you already. And x equals 3 equals 7. And x equals 4 equals 19. So get all these points already, then you can join. Okay, so join this all together. Okay, you can join this all together. Smooth curve now, it's not straight line anymore. Go down. Okay, this is the graph. This the name of the graph. So this is the equation. The equation is y equal to 2x squared minus 2x minus 5. The name of the graph is called parabola, right? The name of it is a parabola. Okay, the shape. It's called parabola. It's not a straight line. This is the, after you got table already, you got this graph. Now, then I'm going to look at part B. Use the graph 2x squared minus 2x equal to 0 to find that when they cut the x-axis. Okay, y equals 0. Okay, what actually the question the question is use the graph to solve 2x squared minus 2x minus 5 equals 0. Okay, 2x squared minus 2x equals 0. What does it mean? 2x squared minus 2x minus 5 equals 0. Okay, this basically tell you y is equal to 0 now, right? Because the equation is y equal to 2x squared minus 5. So you put y equals 0 to solve this equation. What does it mean by y equals 0? Y equals 0 means where it cut the x-axis. Okay? Just look at X Intercept, right? Where it cut x-axis, put y equals 0. Okay, so where is it now? So y equals 0 is the x-axis here. So that means that y equals 0 is this line. This line y equals 0. Okay, this line is y equals 0. So when the graph cut the x-axis, one of them, I think you can see that it's around minus 1.2 somewhere here. So this is around minus 1.2 here. Okay, this square cut axis here, right? Around minus 1.2. The other one, it is about minus 1.2 here, roughly. It's not very accurate. The other one is somewhere around 2.1 or 2.2. Okay, after 2, right? So about 2.2. Okay, so 2.2 there. So we can check answer if the graph is accurate enough. Okay, so from there, if it's a 1.2 and 2.2 is somewhere, we cut the x-axis. Or everything from the graph, okay? From the graph, you can see this. So you must draw the graph as accurate as possible, so you can get the graph. Okay, so I finished the part of this chapter. So next lesson, I will do some tutorial with you. Okay, so I'll do some tutorial with you. So this one I just WhatsApp to you first. So this is a graph look like. Okay, so I can stop recording now. Stop recording.